Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about sessions and cookies. In web development, sessions and cookies serve as mechanisms for storing and managing user data. Sessions function as server-side storage to retain user information while they navigate a website. On the other hand, cookies are compact text files saved on a user's device containing personalized details. For instance, a session may keep track of items in a user's online shopping cart, while cookies can remember a user's login credentials for quicker access. By leveraging sessions and cookies, web developers can enhance user experience through personalized interactions and streamlined processes. Sessions in web development are utilized for temporarily storing user data while they navigate a website. These sessions are stored on the server and are distinguishable by a unique session ID. When a user logs into a website, their username could be stored in a session variable, like in the provided PHP example, where user123 is assigned to the username key in the YAL session array after initiating the session using session start. This information remains accessible across different pages of the website during the user's session. Cookies serve as small pieces of data stored on a user's device. They are sent to the server alongside each request, enabling servers to personalize user experiences. For instance, when a user logs into a website, a cookie named username might be set with the value user123 and an expiration time of 1 hour. This cookie would then be sent to the server with subsequent requests, facilitating a customized experience for the user. Sessions are a more secure method for storing data, as the information is kept on the server, making it less vulnerable to tampering by users. Cookies, on the other hand, can be manipulated by users, which poses a risk, especially with sensitive data. It is advisable to use sessions for storing sensitive information such as user login details or financial data, as they offer better security. Conversely, cookies are suitable for non-sensitive data like user preferences or website customization options, where security concerns are not as critical. By employing sessions for sensitive data and cookies for non-sensitive data, developers can enhance the overall security of their applications. Think of a session as being like a passport, which holds all your important information while you're traveling in a foreign country. Cookies are like stamps in your passport, which are used to keep track of where you've been and what you've done during your travels. In a program, sessions could be used to store user-specific data, such as login information or shopping cart contents. Cookies could be used to track user preferences, such as language settings or remembering items in a shopping cart, even after the user has closed the browser. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided PHP code showcases the integration of sessions and cookies to handle user-specific data and preferences. Let's delve into the technical narration of the code. 1. Initiation of a new session. The session start function is called to initialize a new user session. This allows the storage and retrieval of data to be associated with the user throughout their interaction with the web application. 2. User login simulation and session data storage. User-specific data such as the user ID 123 and username John Doe are stored in the score session superglobal array. This data is maintained on the server side and accessible throughout the user's session. 3. Setting a cookie for language preference. The setCookie function is utilized to create a cookie named language with a value of EN, English. This cookie will persist for 30 days as specified by the expiration time set using the time function. 4. Displaying session and cookie information. The user ID, username, and language preference stored in both the session and cookie are outputted to the user interface for display purposes. 5. Simulating shopping cart functionality with session data. Items in a shopping cart as an array in the NOLA's session superglobal are added for demonstration purposes. These items include a travel backpack, travel adapter, and travel guide. Number 6. Displaying shopping cart items. The contents of the shopping cart, stored in the session, are iterated through using a for-each loop and displayed on the web page. 7. Updating language preference via cookies. The language preference is updated by modifying the language cookie value to FR French using the setCookie function. The updated cookie will continue to persist for 30 days. 8. Displaying the updated language preference. The revised language preference stored in the cookie is displayed to showcase the impact of updating user preferences. 9. Ending the session. The session destroy function is invoked to terminate the current session, clearing all stored session data upon logout or session expiration. This code snippet serves to illustrate the practical implementation of sessions and cookies for maintaining user state, personalizing experiences, and managing user preferences in web applications. One industrial application of using sessions and cookies is in the e-commerce sector. For instance, consider an online marketplace where customers can create accounts, add items to their shopping carts, and set preferences like language and currency. By utilizing sessions, the platform can keep track of the user's shopping cart contents throughout their visit, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. Additionally, cookies can be used to remember the user's language and currency choices across different sessions, providing a personalized browsing experience. Another real-world example can be seen in content management systems, CMS, or online learning platforms. These systems often rely on sessions to authenticate users, store their progress in courses or articles, and maintain personalized settings. By leveraging cookies, these platforms can remember preferences such as display language, font size, or theme customization, enhancing user engagement and usability. Across the globe, businesses and organizations leverage sessions and cookies to deliver tailored experiences, streamline user interactions, and enhance data persistence in various web applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.